Good evening from what was sunny Alberta. We're just out baling some hay. And I thought I'd make a video for my cousin Eddie. Because I haven't done that. And he's a pretty cool cat. So yeah. Let's do that. That's a 20-year-old baler. Mind you, it's just gonna come around 3,000 bales. It's been well looked after. It's been our backup for the last, I don't know how many years. 3 years anyway since we got the Kubota, and we had to pull it out of storage this year. Took 2 bales and everything was shined up, running just hunky-dory. I'm kind of impressed to get this hay off. It's dry, it's ready to go, but storms basically all around us right now. So anyway, I haven't been posting much lately. We've just been trying to keep things going and yeah, keep baling. So yeah. Anyway, thought I would make this one for Eddie, or Edward, I guess I should be calling him. I'm sure his mother won't be too happy with me. So yeah, 20-year-old baler. If you look after them, they'll do you right. Simple monitor. It's a brand new hayfield. I'm really impressed with this field. Plant was underseeded to oats. For last year, we we cut green feed off this field, and now we're cutting alfalfa hay, and alfalfa, Timothy, and brome. There doesn't seem to be much brome in it. It's a store-bought ration, and I have a guy that we use, and we buy hay from actually, in the market, and he mixes seed for us. And there's no filler seed, there's no weeds in it, it's clean as a whistle. And if you don't want it treated, you don't have to have it treated. You get more seed for your dollar that way. Watch this big one go through. Or make a fool of me. Then it's a full bale. Just hit the button and sit back. Don't have to dump the bale or nothing. 565 A. Anyway, that's enough of me rambling on. Hope everybody's having a great day. Your bales are big and your hay is dry.